Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today's video, this is the look I will be creating for you guys. I hope you like it because I am obsessed with this look. So if you guys want to know how to create this look from start to finish, then keep on watching. Guys, I'm going to be starting off with my foundation. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Cappuccino. I'm going to be mixing the foundation with my argan oil. Guys, I'm going to be applying my concealer and blending it out, guys. So guys, as you can see, I am breaking out all over my face and it's kind of annoying. I have missed you guys so much. I know that by the time I will be uploading this video, I will probably be consistent by that time, but like in present time, I haven't really been consistent in uploading and I have missed you guys so much. The reason I haven't been uploading is because of the weather. I know it's weird, but currently we are in rainy season, so it makes everything harder to film because anytime I film, if you watch the videos I'm going to be uploading before this, oh my god guys, rain falls every day. It's even about to rain now, but the rain is not as drastic as it was before, so I haven't been filming. That is why I have been inconsistent. Baking with my Maybelline banana powder. So I'm going to go do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. I'm done with this eye. Now let's move on to this eye. So I'm going to go into this shade right here and I'm going to be applying that into my crease as my transition shade. I'm going back to the old way I used to do my eyeshadow, from lightest to darkest, because this is actually a soft look that doesn't require much pigmentation. So I'm just tapping this in. I still do the tapping motion before blending. Doesn't matter if I start from lightest to darkest or darkest to lightest, I'm always going to tap first. After tapping, I'm going to be using my brush to just brush out the edges of the eyeshadow I applied. Just going to blend that out even more. I'm going to go into this shade right here from my Hushbeauty palette. And I'm just going to tap, tap, tap like I did the first way and blend it out. I went ahead to cut my crease, and if you're still struggling with cutting your crease, that means you haven't watched my how to cut your crease video. I explained everything in detail, the simplest way you can cut your crease. I explained everything there. So I'm going to leave a card here so you can watch it if you're interested in learning how to cut your crease. Moving on, I'm going to go into this shade right here and I'm going to be applying that at the middle of my eyes. I'm going to go into this shade from my Hushbeauty palette and I'm going to be applying that at the first half of my eyes. I'm going to go into this pink shade from my Mood Beauty palette and apply that underneath my eyes. I know I'm using different palettes. You don't have to buy all 4 of these palettes. I think I used 4 or 3 of these palettes. You can just use any shade that is similar if you want to recreate this look. Alright guys, I'm going to be highlighting my face now. I was thinking of using a red lipstick, but I like this look, but I'm going to use a red because I already said it and I'm going to be using a red. Alright guys, I'm going to go into my red lipstick. I'm going to be applying that on my lips. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and love this look because I really do love this look a lot. Like, Ooh, gold on me is like so beautiful, and I love it so much. So guys, if you want to see more of me behind YouTube, then be sure to follow me on Instagram, Mathilda underscore beauty 3 underscores, and Twitter and Snapchat, Mathilda_duku. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate it if you share it to anybody you think might be interested in the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.